Ready, start. Applying the aforementioned fundamental principles to the definition occurring in section 5 within bracket 8 of the code, we have not an iota of doubt that for a debt to become single inverted comma financial debt single inverted comma close for the purpose of part second of the code, the basic elements are that it ought to be a disbursal against the consideration for time value of money. It may include any of the methods for raising money or incurring liability by the modes prescribed in subclauses within bracket A to within bracket F of section 5 within bracket 8. It may also include any derivative transaction or counter indemnity obligation as per subclauses within bracket G and within bracket H of section 5 within bracket 8, and it may also be the amount of any liability in respect of any of the guarantee or indemnity for any of the items referred to in subclauses within bracket A to within bracket H. The requirement of existence of a debt which is disbursed against the consideration for the time value of money in our considered view remains an essential part even in respect of any of the transactions slash dealings stated in subclauses within bracket A to within bracket first of section 5 within bracket 8, even if it is not necessarily stated therein. In any case, the definition by its very frame cannot be read so expansive, rather infinitely wide, that the root requirements of single inverted comma disbursement single inverted comma close against single inverted comma the consideration for the time value of money single inverted comma close could be forsaken in the manner that any transaction could stand alone to become a financial debt. In other words, any of the transactions stated in the said subclauses within bracket A to within bracket first of section 5 within bracket 8 would be falling within the ambit of single inverted comma financial debt single inverted comma close only if it carries the essential elements stated in the principal clause or at least has the features. In yet other words, the essential element of disbursal, and that too against the consideration for time value of money, needs to be found in the genesis of any debt before it may be treated as single inverted comma financial debt single inverted comma close within the meaning of section 5 within bracket 8 of the code. This debt may be of any nature, but a part of it is always required to be carrying or corresponding to or at least having some traces of disbursal against consideration for the time value of money. Expounding it further, in our considered view, the peculiar elements of these expressions double inverted comma financial creditor double inverted comma close and double inverted comma financial debt double inverted comma close as occurring in sections 5 within bracket 7 and 5 within bracket 8 when visualized and compared with the generic expressions double inverted comma creditor double inverted comma close and double inverted comma debt double inverted comma close respectively as occurring in sections 3 within bracket 10 and 3 within bracket 11 of the code, the scheme of things envisaged by the code becomes clearer. The generic term double inverted comma creditor double inverted comma close is defined to mean any person to whom the debt is owed, and then it has also been made clear that it includes a financial creditor, a secured creditor, an unsecured creditor, an operational creditor, and a decree holder. Similarly, a double inverted comma debt double inverted comma close means a liability or obligation in respect of a claim which is due from any person, and this expression has also been given an extended meaning to include a single inverted comma financial debt single inverted comma close and an single inverted comma operational debt single inverted comma close.